Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I'm very happy to review Ohora. This free sample was given by them, so thank you, Ohora, for the free sample. And this is how it looks. What I like about this LED lamp is that it's portable, small. It has a beautiful carrying case that you can take to a hotel, you can take to your vacation, and you still can get your nails done. So here are some instructions, very useful. And all you have to do is connect it to the charger here on the side. You plug it, you connect it, and it's going to take around 120 minutes, 2 hours to fully charge. And after it's charged, this you're going to press the button and put your nails to dry, and it lasts for 60 seconds. And then after the 60 seconds, it's going to turn off. If by any chance your nails are burning or it feels uncomfortable, just take your fingers off the machine and put them back in. I hope this review was helpful. I'm looking forward to taking this everywhere I need to go, the beach, the hotel, somebody else's house, and still get a nice manicure. I hope you enjoyed this review as much as I do. Thank you for watching.